what is the thing, when I saw this mess, as a social worker, I am giving some suggestions to the MS, and for that I made this letter to the MS. The letter states, system required are public queue to be maintained with proper barricade single line. Like GMC registration, there should be a token system given to patients for each OPD. Separate OPD counters have to be put in place for easy control. Inlet and exit doors should be made for free flow of patients at the registration counter. These are the 4 requirements. If these requirements are fulfilled, there will be very much easy access for public and patients who are sick. Now see, what is the problem? There are lots of patients who are coming empty stomach. There are lots of patients who are coming for blood test, and they have to all come in that same queue for registration. So if there is separate OPD and separate counters with separate people, it will be very nice, and it will be easy for the hospital to organize the medical treatment for all the patients. So this is my request, that if the MS sees to these 4 points and get it done, hopefully things will fall in place and the system will be proper.